Hello everyone, welcome back to TurboTech Reviews, and basically in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and you guys are probably wondering why is he posting the actual GoPro unboxing a year later than he posted the accessory videos, and basically what happened was the files kind of got messed up for this video, so that's why. And guys, we are getting closer to 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and let's get right into the video. If you guys didn't know, the GoPro Hero 7 Black was actually released almost 3 years ago. So this review is sort of going to be, is it worth it in 2021 with all the other GoPros out? Even though this GoPro is old, it still has some great features. These features include a 12 megapixel camera, 4K 60 recording, 33 feet water depth, you can talk with your voice, it has a touchscreen, 8x slow-mo, GPS, HDR, hyper smooth, and live streaming. There's also a really cool app that you can control your GoPro with that you can download on the Play Store or the App Store. This box contains the GoPro, a mounting frame for the GoPro, a battery, a thumb screw, a few mounting options, and a cable to charge it. So let's now start the unboxing. So first I'm going to pull this blue tab at the bottom to open the box up. Then I'm going to sort of open up the bottom and pull out the whole thing. So here it is, the GoPro. And as you can see, the GoPro is mounted at the top. So I'm going to unscrew the thumb screw and take the GoPro off. I'm going to take this little plastic thing on this thumb screw, and this can be thrown out. And here's what the thumb screw looks like. It's a piece of plastic with the screw in it. I'm going to go take off the GoPro here, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to put the GoPro off to the side now and see what else comes in the box. As you can see, there's nothing else in the box, so I'm going to go put it to the side too. Once we open the box, we'll first see an instruction manual and some stickers. It's very useful to look through these to learn how to use your GoPro. Next, I'm going to pull this little box underneath. Here we'll find the battery, some mounting options, and a cable. Here's the battery. I'm going to take it out of this plastic bag. And here's the cable you use to charge your GoPro. And I'm going to put this cardboard box aside. So now we'll take a closer look at the GoPro. So now I'm going to try to take it out of this frame it is in. And as you guys can see, this is pretty difficult to get out of this frame. It requires a bit of force to get it out. You're going to pop that little thing off, and then you're going to try to push the GoPro out of the frame. And this is kind of hard too, because it's brand new. I'm going to put the frame aside. Now I'm going to peel this little protective film on the back off, and I'm going to throw it out. This is what the GoPro looks like. It has a camera on the front, a little screen on the front to see little things, and it has a big touchscreen on the back. I'm going to get the battery, I'm going to put it in and set it to charge. As you can see, when this thing is brand new, it's kind of hard to put the battery door back on, but with a bit of force and practice, it should be pretty easy. So now I'm going to open the side battery door and I'm going to go plug it in. To open it, you want to push on this little button on the side, slide it out, and then you can put the charging cable in the port. And now I'm going to leave it to charge. So, you guys are probably wondering, should I pick up the GoPro Hero 7 Black in 2021? And my recommendation would be to not, because with all the new GoPros out, like the GoPro Hero 9 Black, the Hero 8 Black, you can find the GoPro Hero 8 Black, which is one generation newer than the GoPro Hero 7 Black, on sale for $300 US, which is pretty cheap, and that's basically the same price as the GoPro Hero 7 Black. And if you guys want to see demo footage of the GoPro Hero 7 Black, my Sybil Point vlog, the fishing part and the snorkeling part was all recorded with the GoPro Hero 7 Black, so make sure you guys go check out that video too. And if you guys are thinking about picking up any accessories for your GoPro, make sure you guys go watch my 2 GoPro accessory videos. They'll all be linked down below. And guys, we're getting so close to 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you guys sub, and see you guys in the next video.